If you had any issues in recording your movies or project in iMovies and not being able to save the project as mp4, then this is a video, a very short video where you can find out. Hey guys, I'm Victoria from Lifetime Story Photography, and today I will show you how to save your little projects from iMovies into mp4, which is a smaller size instead of a big, huge file. So I will share the screen with you and I will show you what I've done till now. I will just put some files in here, files, import media, and I will take my first baby gallery just so we have something. You drag and drop as many images as you want, select that and then drag and drop, and then you can add an audio, and I think I had an audio here. And select and drag and drop underneath. Okay, assuming that we've done it and we are happy with this, you go File, Share, and then Files. Now in here, when you start for the first time, your settings will be different. I think it's in Best Pro, which is 196 gigabytes. And we don't want that. So you want to go to high, which is 317, or medium. And you can change the resolution, or medium, which is 200. Let's go high. Then you go next. You give a project, iMovies, a name to your project, save, the location of your folder where it's saved, and then you wait for this iMovie to become an image like that instead of just mp4 with the with that sign in there. Because if you don't wait until it's finished, you can't open it. It tells you that it could not open. So you need to wait a little bit. And then if you don't do that, I will show you another, yeah, it's changed. Now, if we open this, it's just as normal. All right, so we close that. And if we look at the size of this one, it's 15.8 megabytes. What's the size of this one? 44. And that was a high one. So let's go and do File, Share, File again, and let's change this to medium. Movie 2, good enough for me. And my movie 2, it's here on the screen. And again, we are waiting until the entire movie is downloaded and become like a rectangular image. So I will be able to show you exactly the exact size. And we will be able maybe to check also the quality, because that will be important. Let's see. And it's not ready yet. Here it is. So I will stop that and I'll open this one in here and start it also. And you can see it's not, there is no other difference. Both of the videos are looking great. Now, size-wise, this one, it's 11.8 megabytes. This was 15 megabytes, I think. 15, and the big one, which is a different video, but just an idea, it's 44. So you can easily make it smaller and you can upload it to your websites. Of course, through YouTube, it will be a little bit faster. So yes, it's easier if you do it that way. So yeah, that's me for today. If you liked my video, and I will stop sharing and take the sound. Hey, if you like my video, please like and share, and I will come back with more videos on what I'm learning and faster way of doing the things. Until next time, bye.